Today, I'm trying something new. I have no idea what to expect on this one. I'm in Franklin, Ohio at the ACB Vintage Market. Let's go in and check it out. Nice. All right, well, first of all, I love this gold glitter accordion. That has such a great look to it. I love the grandma head vase. That's at $65. How awesome is that flamingo piece? It's $200, but it's pretty fabulous. A lot of Formica. I haven't seen Formica in a while. I was actually talking with a customer at the Heart of Ohio yesterday about how they were looking for Formica chairs everywhere. That's a neat Panther. All right, I'm gonna get a basket and get into the majority of it here. All kinds of stuff in here. New stuff, old stuff, collectibles, sports cards. This is the first booth that I've seen that I have interest in. A little jadeite box, that's at $45. Really fun lamp. Really aggressive flea market situation happening behind me. Definitely more sports cards, collectibles, toy cars, stuff like that, die cast. Here's a nook of Fenton. Oh, there's my favorite green. That says $65, which is about what I get for that after fees. And yeah, it seems to all be kind of run-of-the-mill Fenton, except for this amazing coin dot lamp, but it's all about where it needs to be. Definitely all kinds of stuff. Hey, the blacklight poster up there is neat. Here is a wall climbing cat. That's at $25. That's not bad. I love the little frog on a mushroom. I want to make sure I'm finding something else. I don't want to check out for one, like wait in the checkout line just for one small item. That's kind of cool. Big green apple. That's glass. Wonder if that's Blinko. Probably not. I like the look of this. Oh, flower frog. That's contemporary. What's on the head vase? She's got a little bit of wear. $40. I don't know. I'm moving through here pretty quick. So far, the only thing I am kind of into is the $4 frog on a mushroom. But again, it's got to be worth my time to go through the checkout line, and one $4 item that's gonna bring 12 so far is not. A lot of this. Okay, so admittedly not really my thing in there, but I still like going to those places because you never know what you're gonna find. I'm gonna hop in the car and think I'm gonna go do the opposite of this place. I'll see you when I get there. All right, I am back at the Grand Antique Mall. I found this place a few months back. I've only been here once. I was with Dagny, if you remember. I don't know if you watched that. But I'm excited to come back with a different set of eyes. The first time I came here, I had just come from West Virginia, where there was a lot of stuff and it was a little bit cheaper. So I'm curious how, like, a few months and restocking and things like that in a different perspective, and now kind of knowing what to expect, leads me to find. Let's go in. Well, right off the bat, the most interesting thing to me so far is the assorted bone carved chess pieces. Those are fantastic. After the 50% off, those would be $150. But I don't think I can do much with them because, one, they're expensive. Two, they're very niche. And three, I don't think you can sell bone. So I also am noticing the lucite googly-eyed poodle. That's at $25, so the 50% discount leads it to be $12.50. I'm gonna look at that. And I like this vase back there too. I wonder what the signature on that. That comes to $175 after the discount. It's got a great look. I love the rainbow latticino. Unfortunately, that's at $120, which is where it needs to be. Wow, look at that Lundberg perfume bottle. That's at $265. I'm curious what the Hanging Hearts vase has on it behind it. I looked at the Holt Howard chicks last time I was here, but it's the cats that are great. Those looks mixed. Well, the Hanging Hearts that didn't have a stopper was $10, so I grabbed that. And I love, oh, and I also grabbed the lucite poodle. The vase, nah, couldn't figure out who it was. So this Czech pottery bear is pretty neat. That's at $48, and I love this shape on this, this draped vase. I remember these Tutti Frutti ones, but maybe they were different, because this one's $65 and 20% off. That's like pretty good deal, actually. I usually do well with these, but what is that line in it? Can't tell if that's, oh, it's just sticky. I'll take that. 65 and 20% off on this one. This one is 89. This one's a little bit more spendy, but at 50 some bucks, that's not bad. I'll take that. On second glance, I'm not sure about that. I think it's gonna be scratched underneath that sticky. The more I take it off, the more I don't like the look of it. Also, I'm just noticing this. This is insane. Snooping around this 30% off booth. He is fantastic. What's this? Oh, it's a lampshade. Womp womp. Yeah, he's really fun. That pottery face is definitely something you don't see every day. That is a crazy vase. It's $195. It's 30% off. It's definitely got a specific look to it that I'm super into. Oh my gosh, look at this little glass duck. Or is it a chicken? Hey, that looks familiar. Oh my gosh, look at this Bischoff decanter. How fantastic is the stopper on that? Again, that's at $250, but 30% off. That thing is wild. They have one at the Heart of Ohio that's pretty similar. It's red, and it's at $269. That bowl is gorgeous. The coloring on that is everything. Definitely too spendy for me, but really pretty. This caught my eye. Look at this old Coke can. How great. Pop art Coke can. It's emptied. $12 and 30%. That's great. What's going on with this fish? $12, 30%. Oh, he's broken. He's so great though. I think that's a really good Italian piece. Savali, Fetti, or I can never remember. I'm trying to say something. I keep saying Dave Fetti. That's definitely not who I'm talking about. This is super sweet with the berries. Probably acrylic, 50 and 30%. It's got some nicks on the edge like they usually do. This is Blinko. And I keep seeing this. This is cool. This looks Czech. 75, yeah, Czechoslovakian. And I really like this lucite bowl, but I think even after the 30%, that's gonna be a little too close, especially because it's super scratched up. Wow, that bust is fantastic. She's at $250, which again is definitely where it needs to be. Look at this Czechoslovakian Jack in the pulpit. I don't think this is gonna be open. Let's see. Can't see a price on it anywhere. Of course, it's facing the opposite side. It's $62.50 plus the 5%. Really neat. Yeah, I think 62 is just a little close. Just a little close. Oh, there's some of the old detergent boxes. So fun. Oh my gosh. Look at the Royal Deuce Angel. That's a really good one. $30. You know what? And that's not even damaged. That's kind of hard to find. It's a little close, but it's such a good one. I think actually my last one sold for like 68 and it was smaller. So I think I am gonna go ahead and pick this one up. And I forgot to get the 5% too. So that helps. We'll take her. I'll put that there for now. I'm also curious what this is. This Czechoslovakian piece. That's got a nice iridescence on it. And there's another Czech piece. Red, white, and blue, and pink. 20 bucks. I'll take that for 20 bucks. Can't help but notice that Lundberg pumpkin. That's pretty cool. Probably have to look at that. All right, so grabbed that. What is this? That's cool. That's class. I wasn't expecting that. I'm not sure what's going on with that one. It makes me a little nervous. It might be new. This is where Dagny found that insane Limoges owl. I like the one that they replaced it with. A couple things back here. One is the blue spaghetti poodle. That's at $16, and I love this cat mug. Orange cat mug, $12. It's lidded. Made in China. The poodle's pretty great. I see a bangle I gotta get out. Check this one out. This one's so great. I am gonna pay up for it a little. Looks like 60s. This fish vase is pretty great. $40 Italian. That looks check too. Wells Tango vase in pink, really nice, but at $45. It's a little close for me. What's this blue piece? That's pretty. $20. Now here's one thing I do absolutely adore. This ruffled edge, satin finish, Jack in the Pulpit. That's at $150 though. I actually think that this piece is quite fabulous. It comes to $135 after the discount. I think I could do a little something with it. I'm gonna take it. And as I was grabbing that piece, I saw this. This is really interesting. It's again 30% off, but this $18.25. Of course, I love the satin finish, but there's something about this. It's really different to me. So for $45, I'm gonna grab it. The satin finish is always my favorite anyway. Well, still not my favorite place, quite frank. I spent $355 in there, so I think I did all right. I'm gonna hop in the car and I'm really excited where I'm going next. I'll see you guys there.